Chapter 9, Exercise 2, Part 3 of 6, Cap Screw. Create a new file. Select Model Template. Enter the name Cap Screw. Store it in the Fully Support folder. Say OK. Create a sketch. Select the XY plane. Type polygon in the command search window. Select number of sides 6. Inscribe radius. Select the sketch origin. Enter the radius 4 mm and rotation 0. Close this rollout. Decrease the dimension text. Finish the sketch. Select extrude. Extrude to a distance of 3.15 mm. Say OK. Now create a sketch using the top surface and specify the origin point to the datum coordinate system origin. Origin datum coordinate system. Say OK. Now draw a circle of diameter 8 mm. Finish the sketch. Now select extrude. Select individually 3.15. Specify vector reverse. And select intersect from the Boolean operation. Select the draft from start limit. Enter the angle minus 60 degree. Now hide the sketches. Now create a sketch at the bottom of the cap screw head and specify the origin point to the origin of datum coordinate system. Draw a circle of diameter 7. Finish the sketch. Select extrude. Extrude to a distance of 0.5 mm. Select unite from the Boolean operation. Now create a sketch in this phase. Select OK. Draw a circle of diameter 5 mm. Finish the sketch. Select extrude. Extrude to a value of 20 mm. Select unite in the Boolean operation. Okay. Now create a chamfer of 0.4 mm to 45 degrees. Select this face. Say OK. Now create a edge blend of radius 0.3. Select this face. Create a thread. Select symbolic thread. Select this face of the cylinder. From the thread table, metric course M5 into 0.8 to a thread length of 16 mm. orient view to trimetric, save the file close all parts. This completes chapter 9 exercise 2 part 3 of 6 cap screw.